Is that a carrot in your pocket or are you just happy to see me?
It's a carrot.
Okay, it's a bit smaller, but I can work with that.
You lead, I'll follow.
Okay.
You whip it,
Yeah.
I'll drink it. It's creamed everywhere.
I'm not too young.
Oh, that's fine, nor am I. This is spring. It is time for new recipes, new ingredients. What have we got today to prepare?
So today we want to make a dessert about spring.
Now, people get really freaked out by dessert. They see it and they go, I can never do that. But this is different.
Yeah, because it's not like just a cake, it's like very a plating dessert. So it will be our chance to plate it together.
So we're going head to head or carrot to carrot.
Yes, like that.
I think we need to get started. Everything starts with the cream.
Yeah, because it takes time. The organization is one of the big parts.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm going to do the whipping.
Put the eggs together with the starch and the sugar.
Yeah. Then the egg yolks.
Egg yolk there.
Yeah. Put it down. Yep.
And just whip like that.
All the best people are left-handers.
Yeah.
And we're taking over the world.
From today now.
From today. Voila, magic.
So you see it's going very fast.
We're close.
So,
Oh no, no, not really.
I will finish it because
It's because I was concentrating on the wine.
okay, we are good. At the end we want to add this cream to our main cream that we put in the fridge because we want the main cream must be cold, a bit colder to add this
to
one.
add into this one.
And after that we add the honey and the butter.
Delicately mixing it through.
Yeah.
On the pan.
Yeah, directly, the cream directly on the film.
Okay. A bit faster than my whipping of the cream. Well, you can't drink, whip, talk, and prep at the same time.
I make it. Now we just add the butter and then mix. And then it will melt the honey too. And then you have the saffron that will come.
Saffron, aromatic, the color.
Yeah, with the color too, because it will be a very yellow biscuit, powerful color.
Yep. It's like radioactive.
Yeah, for me, like the biscuit is very important to have some texture.
Into the oven.
Exactly. For the time, I don't know. I just
Feel.
look at it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Use the force.
Yeah.
Use the force.
It's very easy.
Super easy.
When it's finished, the crispy that you have inside your mouth, it's very cool. It's like a vitamin bar, you know.
This is a breakfast bar that I would really like to eat
Yeah.
every morning.
We just have to put in the fridge.
30 minutes.
Yeah, just 30 minutes is okay.
I love it.
Paper, baking paper. That's for me.
C'est bon.
Incorporate just a bit.
This is it now. Time to battle it out.
Yeah.
Dessert style.
I hear nothing.
This is artistry. Do you think Da Vinci was talking all the time while he was doing his art? I'm going for the nipple effect.
To stick and not to melt.
Good idea.
Nah, I'm not here for nothing. Huh?
Not just a pretty face.
Yeah.
Chef, what do you think of my work?
To know that you have the ability to create something that is very from your personality. It's very cool, yeah.
Let's go with some new wine. We've got the Angel and the Demon. I'm not sure if I'm the angel and you're the demon or vice versa. 100% Chasselas, but from the beautiful vineyards of Yvonne in Eastern Vaud. Honey, peach, pineapple.
You have a small acidity to come at the end and a bit fat because that's not fat.
Oh yeah! It's got so much different complexity. We've got the sweetness and the saltiness, the crunchiness, the soft sponginess.
Then after you have the cold, the very cold, the temperature. It's to have something that not be boring, you know.
A good wine takes time, a good dessert.
It's like the same.
Is pleasure all in one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We welcome spring together and santé to you.
Santé. Is that a book? It's at the carrot in your pocket or just happy to see me?
Okay, let's try again.